Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 44. In Faraday's laws of electrolysis, a graph of mass deposited against the quantity of electricity is plotted. The slope of the graph gives A. the electrochemical equivalent, B. the charge released, C. the current flowing, D. the energy released. So in Faraday's law of electrolysis, we are made to understand that Q, which is quantity of charge, is equal to IT, which is current multiplied by time, and mass, mass is also equal to IT, which is current multiplied by time. Now if you plot these two graphs, if you plot not the two graphs, rather a graph of mass, so M against Q, so graph of mass deposited against quantity of electricity when it is plotted. So we are asked, what does the slope of the graph give? Now if you plot this graph, it usually presents itself as a straight line passing through the origin. This is the origin, so a straight line passing through the origin. This is how the graph usually presents itself. Now if you take the slope of the graph, we're asked, what is the slope of the graph? Now the slope of the graph is usually equal to Z, an alpha represented as Z, and Z is the electrochemical equivalent. So the slope of graph of mass deposited against quantity of electricity is equal to the electrochemical equivalent Z. And electrochemical equivalent is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.